Hi English learners, welcome back to our channel. This is another episode of 1 Minute Vocabulary. As you know, I am Laura from laurasenglishclass.com, and the goal of this series is to quickly spend just 1 minute learning a new vocabulary item or expression. So hopefully after 1 minute you can learn to recognize and start to use this new vocabulary in your speaking in English. All right, let's get started. So today we're going to talk about the expression rain check, or to have a rain check. So I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock, and here we go. Rain check can be either a verb, or you can use it in the noun form, have a rain check. Let's start with the verb. So with a verb, you're going to rain check something. Rain check an appointment, rain check a date, something like that. So for example, if you have a picnic planned with your friend and you look outside on the day and it's raining, you're going to call your friend and say, hey, can we rain check our picnic today? Have you seen the weather? It's terrible. Or it doesn't have to be about the rain. It could also be just for anything. You could say, we need to rain check our dinner tonight because my boss is making me work overtime. Can we rain check our dinner? Or you can use it as the noun expression, to have a rain check. You could say, can we have a rain check for that picnic? I'm afraid it's raining today. Or you can say, can we have a rain check on that dinner? I have to work overtime tonight. So using rain check or have a rain check is a way to say, can we postpone? Can we postpone whatever this arrangement or date is? Okay, so that's 1 minute. It goes by very quickly, but hopefully you know now, or at least can recognize the expression to rain check or have a rain check, and can start to use it in your speaking in English. If you have any questions about this or any other expression in English, please let me know in the comments below or over at my website, laurasenglishclass.com. Great, that's it for today. So I'll see you online very soon. Bye-bye.